Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken salad grape salad. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. You'll need 2 pounds of fresh grapes, a block of softened cream cheese, and some sour cream. Don't forget the sugar and a touch of vanilla extract to bring out those sweet notes. Having everything measured beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create that signature creamy dressing. In a large bowl, beat your softened cream cheese until it's light and fluffy. Then, incorporate the sour cream, granulated sugar, and vanilla extract. Mix everything together until it's perfectly smooth and there are no lumps. This creamy base is what makes the grape salad so irresistible and unique. Once your dressing is ready, it's time to combine everything. Gently fold the washed and dried grapes into the creamy mixture. Make sure every single grape is beautifully coated. Transfer your delicious creation to a serving bowl, cover it, and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Chilling allows the flavors to meld together perfectly, enhancing the overall taste. For the final touch, sprinkle about 1/2 cup of chopped pecans over the top of your chilled grape salad just before serving. Some people also like to add a light dusting of brown sugar for an extra layer of sweetness and crunch. Serve this refreshing salad cold, and get ready to enjoy a truly delightful and unique treat that everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.